Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Joe and I don't know about you, but for me it wouldn't be winter without apples in the oven stuffed with ground nuts and winter spices. What you need for this delicious dessert are the following: apples, as you can see I made some holes in them, 3 spoons of ground nuts, stevia, ground cinnamon, ground ginger and ground nutmeg. What I'm gonna do is make a mixture with the ground nuts, 2 teaspoons of stevia, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half of a teaspoon of ginger, and half of a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll mix this really well and put the mixture in the apples. I'll put the apples in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees until the apples start to crack. In 30 minutes your apples should be done and you can get them out of the oven. Now, depending on the size of the apples, it takes about 30, maybe 45 minutes to have the apples done. But trust me, it's worth waiting. I hope you try the recipe yourself. Get back to me with your feedback. Meantime, remember to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!